Welcome to the Ultrasonic TECH Days. Our entire team is excited and thrilled to have you here.
We don't stand still. We want to go ahead and embracing innovation. So this is really a global event that we are both really excited to bring together these genius minds of the different companies.
It was really nice to see all the workshops that you have very well organized.
For me it was interesting for different materials. You use different technologies and so here you get an overview of what is possible in general and you get a lot of ideas.
You met so many new people, you see so much technology. Nice drinks, good food, and very friendly people, and it felt familiar.
It was really good.
We are taking back home many interesting points for the future.